How to mirror columns on boards in Monday.com. So the first step is by opening your web browser such as Chrome and simply go to Monday.com. Once you have done that, simply sign in with your account and go to the board that you want. For example, I'll choose this one. So now you have these rows and columns. So we will just focus on the columns first. For example, I want to mirror or duplicate this column or the date column, then I'll just simply click on this three dots right here, go to duplicate, and right here, you may choose either to duplicate or duplicate column and values. So if you want to choose duplicate, then you will only have that column without the values. But if you choose duplicate column and values, you may also have mirrored or duplicated the values of that specific column. If you want to delete, or for example, you have mistakenly duplicated or mirrored that column, simply click on that three dots once again and click on delete right here. Click on delete once again, and then that's it. That's how you can mirror columns on boards on Monday.com.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.